ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः.
Mrs. Usha Sharma, the principal of our esteemed school and role model for millions of students. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Principal Day, ma'am. Guru Govind do khade, kake lagu paye. Balihari Guru aapne Govind diyo bataye. Which means if the God and Guru are both standing in front of you and you are confused to who's to touch the feet first, touch the feet of Guru first, because he is the one who made you aware about the existence of God. Thank you, respected Principal Ma'am, for always being there to help us and showering all the love.
Our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Usha Sharma. She is the real gem of our school. She is the one who is always positive in her attitude. She is the one who is always energetic in her behavior. She is a highly knowledgeable personality, but most importantly, she is the one who always mentors all the students to achieve success in their life. She is a great motivational speaker of a school, but she is the one who provides exposure to every student on their area of interest.
She inspires you, she praises you, and you end up learning a ton without even knowing it. She possesses all the sterling qualities of head and heart, which makes her an ideal personality. A personality which I admire a lot. She's a person who totally represents that hard work reflects success. A person who has set lady goals for us and is totally an archetype to me. A very, very happy Principal's Day.
I'm here to speak about my principal. My principal name is Mrs. Usha Sharma. She has a very important place in the working of the school. She gives her best to maintain the standard of her school. Except parents, she is the one who is behind the success of every student. She has made it her duty to make us a good citizen of free India.
Having you as a principal is a true blessing. Your ability to emphasize with students and constant belief in them is commendable. Your vision, wisdom and passion is apparent every time you address the morning assembly. Thanks a lot, ma'am, for guiding and motivating us always. Wishing you a very happy Principal's Day, ma'am.
Our principal ma'am is very loving, caring, humble and kind. She always enlightens the path of our teachers and always guides us. She is the pillar of strength. Her vision is very vast. She sculptures the future of all their science in a very fantastic manner.
It's coming, you can't stop it now. We running, gonna mow you down. There's a new day rising, ain't gonna be no compromising. You about to see something, you about to see something.
I know words fall short to describe her. She is a dynamic personality, a strict disciplinarian, a versatile, a mentor, and overall a generous, benevolent, kind human being in the school campus. You will always find her on her toes inspecting this and ordering that. She is a perfect lady. She gives chance to everyone to explore and to innovate. In nutshell.
Ma'am, you are a leader. You show motherly love, give fatherly advice, and guides all of us in every possible way. Your endless care, motivation, and support prove that you are a great principal. Everyone knows it's not easy to be a principal, but the way you handle the situation makes you stand out. We love you, ma'am.
Today I want to thank you for your unconditional love and support. Thank you, ma'am, for listening, for guidance, for inspiration, for encouragement. We all love you, ma'am. You are an angel.
We're unstoppable now.
Thank you, ma'am, for being so much lovable and kind-hearted. You always share word of wisdom with all of us. You motivate us to be cheerful in our sad days also.
Us down, we're unstoppable now. Fade to black, take the power. We're unstoppable now.
We are very lucky to have a principal like you. You are so caring and loving for all of us. Your smile boosts us to do positive work. You always motivate us. Thank you for the incredible support at this time. Thank you.
Ain't nothing gonna take us down. We're unstoppable now. We're unstoppable now. We're unstoppable now. Don't miss it, don't miss it.
She is a book of quotation which makes us citizen. She is so simple which leaves us with a dimple. She is a guideline for my lifeline. She is also a magician, magician of teaching, magician of moral values, magician of ethics.
As we all know that to sail a boat, we need a good sailor. Just like that, to run a school, we need a good principal. Ma'am is very consistent and a good leader. Ma'am is visionary and a good administrator. Ma'am encourages the student to do their best. Ma'am is very familiar with the staff as well as the students.
It's coming, you can't stop it now. We running, gonna mow you down. There's a new day rising, ain't gonna be no compromising. You about to see something, you about to see something. It's coming, it's coming. We're unstoppable now.
Thank you for setting high expectations for our students and educators. As principal, you have shaped the conditions for our teachers and students to learn and succeed. We are forever grateful for you. Impact on this school. Keep up the great work.
Always, always, and always put her students first. You know whom I am talking about? I am talking about our honorable and respected principal ma'am, and she is Mrs. Usha Sharma. Thank you, ma'am, for always motivating us for the best. I am a hostler and I know how much you care and love us. Thank you, ma'am, for giving us the titles SRN Daughter and Princess. Really, I am missing the prep sessions, especially the Thursday one, in which there was Maha Aarti and you are with us especially. That was really a special day for all of us.
We're unstoppable now.
Here I want to share some words for our principal ma'am. A principal is a very important place in the working of the school and improve the standard of education. Mrs. Usha Sharma ma'am is our principal. She is all highly qualified and hardworking. She is maintained discipline in the school. She has a smiling face and she guides all students.
Dear Asanians, blessings to all. Thank you for being the reason of my smile and happiness. No words can really capture the joyous feeling in heart when I saw the bites of your videos. How beautifully you all have expressed your joy, reverence and love for your SRN mom, your principal. I'm very much proud of you that I have a treasure of such precious jewels in the form of students like you. Dear students, my true success will be seeing you achieving your desired goals under the able guidance of your gurus and parents. So keep gaining knowledge of various domains and scale the heights of success. Thank you once again, my adorable SRNians, for expressing such a warm gesture of respect and love. God bless you all. Be the most shining stars of the galaxy. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.